Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I will talk about history object in JavaScript. History object is also the child object of window object, or in other words, the history object is the property of the top level window object. The history object contains the history of pages visited by the user. The JavaScript history object represents an array of URLs visited by the user. By using this object, you can load previous and forward pages, and you can go to any particular page. As I said, the history object represents an array of URLs visited by the user in the browser window. So you can use the length property of this history object to find the number of URLs visited by the user. I will use document.write method to display the length of user history object. I will write window dot history object, and then I will access the length property of history object. This length property of this history object will return the number of URLs visited by the user. You can also access the history object without the window prefix because window is the global object. I will add a line break. I will go ahead, I'll save this script. I'll open the index.html file. As you can see, it returns 1. So this is the current number of URLs visited by me. Let me navigate to yahoo.com, and as soon as I click on the back button, now the length of history object or the history array is true because I have visited two URLs, this URL and the Yahoo URL. Next, I will discuss the back method of history object. The back method is used to load the previous URL from the history list. This time I will access the history object without the window prefix like this way, and then the back method. As I said, this back method will take you back to the previous URL. I will go ahead, I'll save this script. I'll copy this path of my script and I will open a new window. Inside the new window, I will open the Yahoo page. Now I'm going to paste my script URL inside this window, and you will see that it will always take me to the Yahoo page. I'm going to hit enter. As you can see, my script has taken me back to the Yahoo page. So this back method works like this back icon or this back button, and the same goes for the forward method. If you want to load the next or the forward URL, you use the forward method of history object. For that, you use history dot forward method. This forward method is same as clicking on this forward or next button inside the browser window. There is another method of history object, which is go method. The go method is used to go forward or to go backward. I'll use the history object and then the go method. Inside these parentheses, you specify the number of pages. For example, if you want to move forward by one page, you will enter 1. This go method will take you one page forward, and if you want to go back by 2 pages, you can use the negative values like this way. This -2 value will take you back by 2 pages. So you can use the go method to go to any particular page. So this is about the history object, and you can use the history object to navigate to different pages in history list.